battery box, and I don't get any power from here. That's why I'm trying to see what's going on here. Cover out of here to see what's going on. There we go. It's coming out easily. Let's see if the battery is out of juice or something. Because you can see it says only 5.8 volts. 5.8 volts. That's why I'm not getting any batteries. I don't know why it leaks so bad. I thought there is a 5 amps solar panel to charger, so don't know what's going on here. Alright, so I lift the battery out of there, and it's pretty heavy. And this, on the right hand side, is the black wire, so it's the negative to battery negative. This is the red wire, that's why this is to positive battery. And this is the AGM battery that lens, truck camper lens. It's called Lifeline AGM battery, which is super heavy, 60 pounds. Okay, I think it's 100 amps. Specification 105 amps hour. Yeah, 105 amp hour. Part number is GPL31T. You know, pretty heavy.